This video will show you what to do before storing your snow thrower for next winter. Depending on your model number, the instructions in this video might vary slightly. Whether you have a single or two-stage unit, it's best to prepare for this project by reading the off-season storage section of your operator's manual. To begin, check the unit's maintenance items to see if they need replacing. These items can be found in your operator's manual in the Maintenance and Adjustments section and the Service section. Grab a piece of paper to create a list of replacement parts you might need. On a two-stage unit, such as this one, check the skid shoes and shave plate for wear. The skid shoes and shave plate are installed to protect the housing from damage, so don't wait until the wear is so great that the housing is no longer protected. This could lead to a major repair. Make sure to always have a spare set of shear bolts on hand. Drain any fuel left in the tank using the Arnold siphon pump. With the help of an additional person, carefully pivot the snow thrower up and forward so it rests on the auger housing. Remove the lower frame cover from the underside of the unit. Check the gear shaft and apply a light coating of oil to the hex shaft. Be careful not to get any oil on the aluminum drive plate or the rubber friction disc. Check the rubber friction disc for wear or cracking. Put the lower frame cover back in place. With the help of an additional person, carefully pivot the snow thrower back and down so it rests on the wheels and skid shoes. Remove the belt cover on the front of the engine and inspect the belt for wear, cracks, and fraying. Always use genuine factory belts, as they are designed with a specific length, shape, and strength for peak performance and durability in your machine. Non-original belts may look similar, but they can't match genuine factory belts' materials or engineering. Put the belt cover back in place. If you have a single-stage unit, carefully tilt the snow thrower back so it rests on the handle. Check the shave plate for wear. Many shave plates have two wearing edges and can be reversed if needed. Check the auger's rubber paddles for damage and wear. They should be replaced if any excessive wear is present. Do not let the rubber paddles wear to the point that the metal portion of the auger itself can come in contact with the pavement. Remove the belt cover on the side of the snow thrower. Check the belt for wear, cracks, or fraying. Now return the unit to its upright position. If any of the items we just looked at need replacing, now is a good time to order them. That way you have plenty of time to install them before next winter. The next step, if your unit has a 4-cycle engine, is to change the engine oil. Drain the oil by using a plastic drain sleeve that may have come with your unit, or you can use the Arnold siphon pump. Next, remove the spark plug. Inspect the spark plug before reinstalling it. Clean it with a nylon brush if necessary. If you are unsure if the spark plug is good or not, it is recommended that you replace the spark plug. Reinstall the spark plug and reconnect the spark plug wire. Clean debris from around the engine and muffler. Apply a light film of oil on any areas that are susceptible to rust. Wipe away any dried salt that may accumulate over the winter to discourage rust. Finally, you should add fuel stabilizer to your fuel and fill your unit's fuel tank. This is better than storing it empty. Empty fuel systems expose any bare metal parts to air and moisture, which leads to rust and also allows gaskets and O-rings to dry out, crack, and shrink, causing eventual problems. When you're done, store your snow thrower in a clean, dry, and well-ventilated area away from any appliance with a flame or pilot light, such as a furnace, water heater, or clothes dryer. Don't store where power tools are used. If possible, avoid storing in high humidity. Keep the engine level when storing. Tilting can cause fuel or oil to leak. If you plan on covering the snow thrower, Make sure air can get under the cover. Don't try to seal it up. Follow these steps, and your unit will be ready when the snow flies again.